Excuse me, could you help me? I have a question about my flight.
Good afternoon. Of course. What is your question?
My flight to Chicago departs at 6 p.m. from Terminal 2. Could you tell me which gate I should go to?
Let me verify your flight. What is the flight number and the airline?
It's flight AA123 of American Airlines.
Correct. Flight AA123 to Chicago, scheduled for 6 p.m. from Terminal 2, is scheduled to depart from Gate 25.
Gate 25? Is it far from here?
Not too far. It's at the end of this hallway, on the right. It should take you about 10 or 15 minutes walking. You can also take the internal light rail if you prefer. The station is just downstairs.
Thank you. I think I'll walk. Is the waiting area at Gate 25 open yet?
Yes, the waiting areas usually open approximately 2 hours before the scheduled departure. However, I recommend checking the flight information screens near the gate for any last-minute updates or changes.
I understand. And where can I find a place to exchange currency? I need some US dollars. Perfect.
There are several currency exchange offices located in both terminals. Here in Terminal 1, there's one right behind me, and another near the main entrance. In Terminal 2, you'll find some near the check-in area and after security.
I need to go to Terminal 2, so I'll look for one there after I go through security.
Excellent. Do you have any other questions?
No, I think that's all. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good flight to Chicago.
Thank you. See you later.